Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM HT16 and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into settings, and from here let's scroll down to storage and USB, and at the bottom you'll see your SD card, so tap on it. It will take you to the storage. From here tap on the three dots and let's go into the settings where you should see format option. Tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you want to keep, you might want to back it up before, but I don't, so I'm just going to tap on erase and format. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one and only takes a couple seconds. And once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again as it is right now. As you also see, after the format, it gives you a message that you want to change it to this SD card to be the default writing one, so it's a choice. So basically what it means is whenever you're taking photos now or videos with the device, they will be saved immediately to the SD card instead of your device. So choose whichever one you want, either OK or cancel, and then tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.